Chapter Eddie.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Tell him what we're gonna do.
All right, we're gonna fix Con up today. We're gonna give him a nice adjustment on his back.
This part.
This part, it's the back 7, and it's gonna get adjusted today.
Let's do it. All right, Pete. Turn it off. You gotta hear this crap.
All right, whatever. All right, Connor.
You gotta loosen me up first, alright?
Yeah, loosen him up, Eddie.
You want me to rub up on top of you or no?
Yeah, don't crack my rib.
Yo, Big T, what was the name again?
Wait, loosen me up first.
I got you. Trust me.
Tell him the camera what you're doing.
All right, so now I'm just loosening up Big Con.
Tell him the area.
Got his
Big Con.
right near his latimus dorsis, his medium to high spinal rectus.
Oh, I'm gonna crack rib, dude.
Yeah, I know, man. How you feeling today? Good?
A little tight.
Yeah, nice one right there, I think. What do you think?
I think a little higher.
Right there? That's where it is.
Alright, yeah, be careful.
Ready? Big breath in, Big Con.
No, we're good.
Wait,
We're good.
wait. Oh, I skipped it.
Alright, he's gonna crack like a pretzel. Everyone, beware, alright? Alright, as you can see, his L7 we got here.
Tight, man.
His lower lumbar. Probably feel it right there, right?
Lower. Oh, no.
Alright, ready? Listen.
I'm touching his butt.
Did you hear that?
That was, I heard a fart. Yeah.
No, that wasn't a toot. That was real.
Yeah, dude, in the video, I see
That's how we
people-
do it.
The one video, I see people, like, the
Go ahead.
chiropractor guy, he goes...
Oh, I thought he was dead down there for a
Yeah,
second.
I'm
Get him.
gonna get it.
That was good.
He does it in, like, a triangle, like this.
Yeah.
He does, like,
Hold on, let
yeah.
Dylan do it. Let Dylan do it.
Go right here.
Special guest.
No, I can't get it.
Oh.
You're